In this video, I will show you the easiest ways to earn money with affiliate marketing without investment. This is a brand new method that we never discussed earlier on this channel, but it pays pretty well. It's absolutely free. You will not have to sell anything on those freelancing websites or film any videos. It's a lot easier. Follow all the steps from this video to make this work for you. You must be patient and watch every second of this video and stay tuned until the end to maximize your results. After that, you will need to copy our method exactly and start to make money online. If you watch this video until the end, I will show you some bonus websites so that you can maximize your earning. But first and foremost, welcome to my channel, where I teach you how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's get started. In order to make this strategy work again and again, you don't need any followers. You don't need any posts. You can even do it by creating an Instagram account. So first of all, you need to sign up to Instagram and create an account. You don't need any branded account. Simply create an account. It really doesn't matter if you have 0 followers or 100 followers. All you have to do is set up a profile picture and post 1 or 2 different posts on your account. It's optional, but if you do that, you will get a better result. Once you set up your profile, you will go over to the search bar and search for different hashtags like a book. When you do that, you will find millions of search results. All you have to do is open up their page, and you need to see if they're actually posting related to books or not. Now you need to open up as many similar pages as possible. They are similar because they post different stuff related to books, so it's proven that they're attracting people to read books. Search with different keywords and repeat the process again and again until you have 5 or 10 different pages. After that, go to audible.com. Audible is an Amazon company. It's all related to audiobooks. So they have over 20 million active monthly users. There are millions of people all over the world who love reading books, but they don't have time because reading a book requires at least 1 to 2 hours. But listening to an audiobook can be done even if you're running or whatever you're doing. You can put on your headphones and listen to different audiobooks. That's why the demand for this is growing. But don't worry, you will not have to resell those books. The cool thing is that people don't have to pay for anything, but you will still make money. It's so easy and requires no previous skills. You can do it with Instagram. There are so many audiobooks on Audible. You can search for it here. You can click on the search bar and you can search for different books, and you will be able to find millions of different books. We don't want to buy those audiobooks, but we need to go over to Google and type in Audible affiliates because this link is hidden. Now click on this first link. You will land on this page when you click on this link. The cool thing about this website is that people don't have to pay for anything, but you're still going to make money. Because Audible affiliate programs are really unique than others' affiliate programs. I will show you exactly how to do that with one Instagram, even if you have 0 followers. Here you can see the standard fee structure. If someone signs up for the monthly membership, you will make $10. If someone signs up using your affiliate link for that one, they will need to spend some money. So that might be a little bit harder. But here's another deal. If they sign up for a free trial for a free membership, you will get $5. Audible will pay you for qualified leads that sign up for these Audible free trials. They don't have to spend any money, and they will get access to listen to free audiobooks from Audible. So they can choose from millions of different audiobooks on here. They can grab them for free, and you will get paid $5 for that. And if they keep using Audible, you will make money also. You will make 50 cents per audiobook that they get from Audible. Many people get hooked when they sign up to Audible because Amazon is really good at upselling people. Now click on this Become an Affiliate button right here. Then click on this to create your Amazon account. Now enter your name, email, password, re-enter your password, and click on this yellow button. After creating an account, log into your account. Once you do that, you will be able to grab your Audible affiliate program for any of those audiobooks. As soon as you get access to your affiliate link, you will grab your affiliate link and you will go back to some of those Instagram pages that are posting about books. Now you would need to do right here is send a message to this page. Open up one of many different pages you can find by searching for those hashtags. Then you want to DM them. You will ask them about their shout-out rates. Don't worry, you don't have any money to invest in this. If you stay with me all the way to the end, I will show you where you can get $10 to $20 for absolutely free and use that to invest into those shoutouts. You don't need to invest any money from your pocket. These people charge $10 to $15 for a 24-hour shoutout in most cases. Once they agree, all you need to do is send them your Audible affiliate link. They will create the story ad for you and post it on their page. They can use the swipe up feature. That will take people directly to your Audible affiliate link where they can sign up and grab their favorite audiobooks for free. And you will get paid $5 per person who signs up for free. You can do the same for all those different pages with at least 10,000 followers. If they don't have 10,000 followers and you can close out a page, you want to go back to different hashtags and find pages with at least 10,000 followers. Because Instagram wants to keep the swipe up feature exclusive. There are restrictions on who can get one. To access this coveted feature, you need to have at least 10,000 followers. So pick a page that has at least 10,000 followers. Now I will show you some websites as a bonus to earn some money to invest in shoutouts. The bonus website that I will show you today is called Userlytics. You will get paid anything from $5 to $20, even $90 per test user. You can do this on your smartphone and also on your computer. It's one of the oldest and most established companies in the user testing industry. You can see where people are saying very positive things about this website. There are two kinds of people who want to use Userlytics: clients and testers. Userlytics is a middleman between user and tester. Here you can see many big companies like Google, Microsoft, Canon, Logitech use their service. Now, if you want to start as a tester, you come here to the right-hand corner and click on Tester Sign Up. Once you click on this button, you will land on this page. So there are 3 steps to get paid. First, register and earn money. Second, interact with web or mobile apps. And the third, get paid via PayPal. So that you can make money from all over the world. Here are the requirements. You can use your mobile phone. It can be either an Android phone, so you will download this on Google Play, or it can be your iPhone, so you can download it on the App Store. But if you can have a computer or laptop, you can go with it. You don't need some super phones or super equipment. You need basic equipment, and then you can get started. So now I want to give you some tips and advice on how to interact with the web or mobile app. When you sign up, they may ask you questions. Now simply fill out your email address and click the Sign Up button. You don't need to be 21 years old to get started. You can see here that you are 16 years of age or older. So you don't need to be 21 or 18 years old like many other websites require. When you sign up, fill out your full profile because they can match the proper surveys and tests for you. But if you don't fill it out, they cannot match them. When you fill out your location, age, or information, they can match you with the proper tests to make money. After signing up, you are ready to earn money. All you have to do is, you need to follow the usability test instructions as provided by their clients. If you don't want to invest any money from your pocket, you can use this website to earn some money. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos.